well. But yeah, we're about to run this Mustang right here. What's going on, y'all? This is Mac Jack with Mac Jack Productions 90-95 sequel, bringing you another episode and update on the X-Type. We got going on. The test drive went amazing. We did get to the gas station last night, and the starter acted like it wanted to malfunction. But that's been going on for a while now, so we didn't really hesitate, or not hesitate. We didn't really panic or anything. But you know, the transmission temperature was fine, even though we didn't change the transmission, whichever. They wanted to monitor the temperature just in case, you know, anything was going on in that area. And the temperatures were fine. There was a little whining noise, but I don't know if that was from sitting, because we didn't lose any transmission fluid. And that was another reason why I chose to monitor the transmission fluid. So yeah, so it went well. We did not have to use the tow hook, so that's a good thing. So let's go to the parts store, because we got to get some two-way tape to put the back bumper on now, because the back bumper lower portion is missing. So let's go see what's going on now. It's a little dirty in here, a little dark too. Let's see. I'm getting me a steering wheel cover or something. We'll replace the entire steering wheel. All right, the check engine light is still on because we did not replace the catalytic converter. It was the wrong catalytic converter. You know, sometimes you click a button too fast, or you know, just move a little too fast. But let's drive real quick. All right, engine warmed up. Gonna go forward. Yeah, we got to the sheets. We were gonna check I like checking my tire pressure at sheets, because it's like how that little air inflator works. It's automated. You don't have to sit there and, you know, think too much into it. So we're leaving Encore now. Slow down for this truck right here. Seatbelt on, safety first. Probably wondering like why he ain't turning. Alright. Yeah, so we're riding. I did all this interior work here myself. I gotta finish it. It's nothing major though. But yeah, we riding. Going down the road pretty smooth, shifting fine. Now keep in mind, this vehicle does have 285,000 miles on it, so you know it's amazing to still be running. I don't see a lot of these vehicles in passing when I'm on these routes, you know, back and forth here and there. But for this vehicle to keep being able to make it, that's amazing. That's amazing. We're able to get some used parts every now and again for this vehicle, because a lot of these cars show up in the junkyard, and that's cool for us. You know, hopefully they can contact me before they take it to the junkyard. Let's go for 1 million miles on this car, huh? 300,000 the first go. It's gonna go for 500,000. You know, just keep it around for a while, you know. But listen, subscribe to the channel and like, share, and follow. Comment below as well. But yeah, we're about to run this Mustang right here. Stop playing. We ain't nowhere near ready for him. Nowhere. But that was a nice little show. Alright guys, gotta stop here real quick. We'll check back out to you guys later. Until next time, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Boom.